Oh, yeah.
Hey, welcome back to Rush Total Garage. It's alive.
It's alive. So it runs, it drives. I don't know if it shifts yet, but it works. First time since 1970. So 80, 90, 2000, 23. So you're talking 53 years since this car moved under its own power. Fuel system is still rigged. We'll get into that shortly, as well as the exhaust system. Looks almost exactly the same as it did when I pushed it into the garage a couple years ago and started working on it. And it's been probably a year and a half off and on. No, actually, it's been like 2 years off and on. I don't know how much time I really spent on it. I wasn't working on it every day in the beginning, but you know, you get the point. It's been a couple years since I pushed it in the garage. But yeah, it runs. I threw the seat in, didn't even recover it. Car's a piece of junk. Might as well have a piece of junk seat. Dash is all back together as it was. Oh yeah, I put carpet in it. I don't know why. I bought carpet for this thing last year, and I guess I forgot what the deal was with this car. But anyway, I put the carpet in and have floor mats coming to keep it reasonable. It's just some cheap carpet. Got a old bathroom mat in there for now. Yeah, that works. Unreal. This thing is going to be hysterical going down the road. All right, so now that it's a car, can start getting into all the turbo stuff. Here's the list. At least I think everything's here. Yeah, quite a few things. But I don't think it'll be too bad. Most of the work was just getting the car built. So this is unfortunately going to be a very short video because I got other things to do. Because now that this thing is running and driving and I got it out of the garage, I need to get rid of some more LS donors and clean up a little bit because things have gotten out of hand, I will say. So when I come back on this one, we'll start on all the turbo stuff. All right, so thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Can't talk a lot right now because I broke a tooth a couple days ago and it just got bondoed up yesterday. Still kind of hurts, so I gotta take a break. See you soon. Later.